Bodor Laser believes that the greatest dreams begin with the most focused beam of light. In 2025, this beam illuminates a new blueprint for global industry. With a newly expanded product portfolio, Bodor precisely addresses market gaps while pushing the limits in specialized segments. Driven by high speed and precision, we deliver a comprehensive upgrade to laser manufacturing solutions. Our uncompromising pursuit of product quality is how we honor the trust of customers worldwide. This year, over 10,000 machines from the DreamSpace Super Factory were delivered across the globe. The achievement of being the global sales leader for 6 consecutive years has reached over 180 countries and regions, spanning the breadth of the world. Across more than 40 countries and over 70 exhibitions worldwide, with a total exhibition area exceeding 20,000 square meters. The pace of Bodor's global expansion is on full display, ranking #1 in market share for 2 years and in sales for 6 consecutive years, is both the market's choice and a beacon of trust, forged by countless customer commitments and achieved through the dedication of every Bodor employee. The beacon lights not only responsibility, but also the direction forward. When rigorous industrial logic meets refined human-centric aesthetics, light gains warmth and soul. The 2025 Red Dot Best of the Best award honors every Bodor professional who refuses to settle for the ordinary. In the northern hub of China's laser industry, we've raised a beacon for the sector, the DreamSpace Super Factory. Through scale and intelligent manufacturing, it redefines production capacity peaks, where innovation unfolds continuously and value accelerates. In the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, we have built a bridge, the Bodor Laser South China headquarters base. It carries not only manufacturing capability, but also a commitment to rapid service and response. At the heart of the Asia-Pacific region, we have ignited a strategic hub, the Bodor Laser Thailand factory. It unlocks regional capacity and embodies a shared mission to let Chinese intelligent manufacturing shine across the Asia-Pacific market. From this point forward, powered by dual engines in the north and south, with coordinated efficiency and global synergy, innovation and dreams know no distance or borders. In Xilu Optics Valley, we are establishing a new industry benchmark. Bodor Laser's global headquarters, Dream Park, more than a hub for China's laser industry. It is a launchpad for global leadership. With Chinese standards and world-class innovation, Bodor Laser presents its defining answer for 2025. From nurturing dreams to leading globally, the park we build together has no walls. Because dreams never stop growing, and neither do we. Bodor Laser, powered by dreams, guided by light, shaping the future.
Bodor, dare to dream.